Hello, welcome to the channel. Please like and subscribe. Have you ever heard of the eighth wonder of the world? It's not a majestic monument or a natural phenomenon, but a powerful financial concept: compound interest. Compound interest is like a snowball effect. The more money you earn, the more you can invest, and the more you earn. It's a cycle of growth that can significantly boost your wealth over time. Compound interest is often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world due to its incredible ability to grow wealth over time. By reinvesting earnings, your money has the opportunity to compound, leading to exponential growth. This concept, often illustrated by the analogy of a snowball rolling downhill, emphasizes the importance of early and consistent investing. As Albert Einstein famously stated, compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it; he who doesn't, pays it. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to compound interest. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Even small amounts invested consistently can yield substantial returns over the long term. Consistency is key when it comes to compound interest. Make regular contributions to your investments, even if they're small. The more frequently you invest, the more often your money can compound. The more frequently you invest, the more often your money has the opportunity to compound and grow. Even small, regular contributions can add up significantly over time. By staying disciplined and avoiding impulsive decisions, you can maximize the benefits of compound interest and achieve your long-term financial goals. The Rule of 72 is a simple formula that helps you estimate how long it will take for your money to double. Divide 72 by your annual interest rate, and that's roughly the number of years it will take for your investment to double. This rule helps you estimate how long it will take for your money to double. Divide 72 by your annual interest rate to get an approximate number of years. For example, if your investment earns 8% interest per year, it will take approximately 9 years for your money to double. Different investments have different risk and return profiles. Consider your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon when choosing investments. Diversifying your portfolio can help manage risk and maximize returns. Avoid common investment mistakes like trying to time the market or chasing after the next big thing. Stay disciplined, stick to your investment plan, and avoid emotional decision-making. The only way to make money in stocks is to buy low and sell high. But who knows when that will be? Warren Buffett. This quote emphasizes the importance of understanding risk and return when making investment decisions. It also highlights the challenge of timing the market, which is why diversification is often recommended to manage risk and potentially increase returns. Tax implications can significantly impact your investment returns. Consider tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs and 401(k)s to potentially reduce your tax burden. The best time to start saving for retirement was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Compound interest is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your financial goals. By understanding the principles of compound interest, making consistent investments, and avoiding common mistakes, you can harness the eighth wonder of the world to build a brighter financial future. Want to take control of your finances and achieve your dreams? This video reveals the path to financial freedom. Hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable tips.